Hello everyone, this is Karin and thank you for joining me for this unpackaging video. I apologize for the setup, but I was so eager to open this that I could not wait to get back to my house in Padua to have my tripod and everything, but I swear I will try to give you everything on camera, hopefully. I don't have a flip screen, so I'm kind of guessing the angles. Okay, so this is my second purchase into artisanal watercolors, and these are made by an artist and student of historical paints. Her name is Alina Gallo. I will leave the link in the description down below. And I had looked at her sets for quite some time, but they were always sold out, so at one moment I finally decided, okay, I will contact her on Instagram and ask her if you know, she has some new stock coming up, or if I have to wait some more. I didn't mind the wait, but she replied and she told me that yes, she had new sets coming out, so I was really quite happy about that, and I purchased one the day after, basically. And it arrived, so I'm really happy about this. I will post a first impression video, but I really wanted to do an unboxing and to show you how it looks, because I've seen some pictures and it's absolutely awesome. Okay, so this is like extra carefully packaged. Can you say that in English? It's not packaged with extra care or something like that. Okay, also I'm pretty sure there was an easier way to do this. I'm not one for easy stuff. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm going to play with the bubble wrap with this later. Okay, so here is the here's the tin. She has 12 colors and I purchased all of them, so I could have the complete set. Here is her card, and behind it, Gallo, handmade in Italy, honey watercolors, acquarelli al miele, finest quality, eco-friendly, artist-made paints, and there is all over her info here. I will of course leave the links down below, and I will use this video as kind of a reference for all her links when I do my first impression video, so as not to repeat myself every time. And this is probably going to be the yeah, description, blah blah, everything else. Okay, so this is the set, and this is kind of heavy paper of sorts, so as to protect the set. And oh, I requested this color of wrapping paper because she has some marble ones of different colors, and I thought this blue one was absolutely wonderful, and I really hope this shows on camera. Really hope. And I also love the golden logo here. And let's try to open this up without breaking anything, or without breaking everything. Oh yes, this I'm going to preserve so much. Okay, so the tin also has a sticker and thumb ring. And now for the reveal. I will let you see before I see, which is not fair, because I really want to see what's inside. No, I know what's inside, but whoops! Ah! Okay, there is stuff falling out. Let's check the stuff falling out. Okay, this is basically the all the pigments, and on watercolor paper. This sounds like a 300 GSM or a little bit lighter, but not much, and it's a cold press. And here you have all the colors which are lemon yellow, Indian yellow, vermilion red, permanent carmine, transparent cerulean, ultramarine blue, chromium oxide, viridian hue, gold ochre, burnt sienna, burnt umber, and Payne's grey. And the other, what is it? Half pans are present, choking hazard. Okay, I've never seen one of these in a watercolor box, but I can appreciate the warning. I have a young nephew. Ooh, okay, sorry, I could not resist. So, these are all individually wrapped, and oh my god, it looks like she painted on them. This is awesome. I'm really liking it. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Okay, I knew she was sending a brush inside her sets, but I did not realize it was a portable brush. I just thought it was an in size 6, which is okay. Here you go. Hopefully it will focus. Focus. No idea if it focuses. It is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to in a 6, but I am not complaining because this is awesome. Also, it is a brand I've had a couple of brushes of, but it's not the same. This one is the synthetic vial, which is, I really have to read about that, but I think it's a kind of hair. But this is awesome, this is really awesome. And then let's look at one pan, let's take one out. And yes, this watercolor paper, it is watercolor paper. And my guess is that it's the same one as this card, only she's used it to wrap up the pan. So here you have Honey Watercolors, Acquarelli al Miele, her name. You have the, I really hope this does focus, the PY3, yeah, it's 3, it's the pigment, the binder, it's gum arabic, and lemon yellow. I'm guessing there's also honey in here, but it says gum arabic binder. Okay. And let's open this up. I'm trying to open this up. Okay, maybe if I slide it. Yes. Yes, sliding works. Here we have... Oh, they're really smooth. And kind of sticky. I really shouldn't try to touch my watercolors. And these remind me a lot of Schminke watercolors, because they're so smooth, so reflective, and it really reminds me of that. Okay, so this is one, and of course I'm not going to film myself wrapping the whole thing, because you've seen how they look like, so I guess we'll see each other. Oh. Okay, so this feeling is something that you cannot explain, but it's great. It's me having a religious experience here. Woo! Alright, so I'm going to wrap all of this, and I'm going to try and hold myself and not try them before I have my proper equipment to film. But I know it's going to be hard. So, yay, let's see what happens, and we'll see each other for a video where I try them all. Thank you for being with me. I hope this wasn't too long, and until next time.